font. I just got this word. What did you get?
I too got something similar.
Okay, and this is canvas.
This is also canvas.
Sounds
Is
the
it
same,
an error?
right? I don't think so. It's an error.
Because CANVAS means
Here I have double S.
So this means a wooden board which the painters used to paint.
Oh, is it? So this canvas, I think it is something to do with elections.
Yeah.
Canvassing? Yeah. I would like to know more about this.
Yes, we would like to know more about this, and SECT team will help us.
Yes.
What are they talking about? We are conducting a workshop on communicative English for teachers. Are you excited to know more?